Ah, doesn't fit. And once again, I'm one step closer to solving the mystery of the peculiar key. That's Doc! Trash dealer, handyman, brain surgeon. A hex key for hex nuts, the nerd amongst tools. That must be the fuse box for the signal. A component that's designed to fail. As if you need to design components for that.
Did you remove that somewhere? You should never...
Yeah, yada yada yada. I don't need any lectures.
Of course not. A wrench! Very good! You could...
Yeah, yada yada yada. I don't need any lectures.
Of course not.
All along. You don't need yoga if you're resourceful. It works! It really works! Now, I only have to heave goal onto the mine bike and whammo! Huh? Where's the mine bike? Oh, crap. I knew I forgot something. Oh crap, it doesn't fit. Looks like I need a lever. All signals are on stop. As if that could slow me down. Well, the frame's a bit dinky, but I like the motif. All signals are on stop. As if that could slow me down. Ouch! Hot! All signals are on stop. All signals are on go. So why am I still here? Let's see, if I install the power inverter here, the signal is doing the exact opposite of what the signal light is showing. Excellent! Huh! The bright light stabilizes the sound waves. I can see in the dark. Ouch! Hey, there's still something in there. This is still half full. Only a beetle. The lever for the points, detached and discarded. It was probably the signalman's last wish for the mine bike to never roll again. Well, he didn't reckon on me. The lever for the point. It was probably... Well... I lost one power inverter, but found 3. Hey, business is looking good. Child's play. Ready? Go! Crap! Oh, damn! What's wrong with me? I'm usually totally laid back. It must be the fumes from the mine. How can Doc stand them? Huh, I better go and ask him. Hi there.
Huh? What? Oh, hello.
I have some more, challenges.
Keep 'em coming.
Doc, I'm a little highly strung.
I can see that. Look at you. The hands, the eyes, the hair.
Huh?
You should do something about it. Unrest is a handyman's death. If I get too twitchy, I meditate.
Meditate?
Yes. You should try it for yourself. Like this. Lodge your leg behind your head and fixate on a point on the horizon. Wait, I'll show you. Just take it in. What's wrong? You're not fixating at all. What's wrong? You're not fixating at all. That's right. Can you see how everything gets more focused and how the colors are more lively? I have fixated on that strange blue shape to the right. Now I let my eyes wander to the north until I see a blue pole. Now I gaze far over to the west to that green thing, and then in a straight line to this blue thing down there. And then, finally, whoa, I'm already utterly entranced. In any case, you have to tell the world who you are. I am a river. After that, I take a good swig from my hip flask, and I'm all relaxed. Got everything?
Oh, crap! No! Doc lied to me. I mean, I did everything right, didn't I? Leg behind the head? Check. Fixate horizon? Check. Here we go. Whoa. What? Pop up. And now? I think it's working, but I can't feel my tongue allowing to. Wow! Once again, nice and easy. Da la la da da li li di di li li. Da la la da da li li di di li. Rufus, Rufus, yeah! I am an... but this time... Huh. You're quite heavy, babe. And I thought you were making yourself extra heavy when I lugged you up the hill just now. Never mind, the controls are exposed and I have a circuit diagram. This'll be easy as pie.